What's going on, guys? Joseph Q Chapter here. Today we got us a pork tomahawk steak, and we're gonna stuff this with some honey corn butter. Let's check this out. All right, first things first here, guys. We're gonna take us a jalapeno, and we're just gonna remove the top here. I'm gonna give this a nice quick dice. I'm gonna remove the ribs too. Not everybody enjoys the heat. I mean, I do, but some don't. Take those ribs and those seeds out, and you'll just taste straight jalapeno. Right. Now, I'm going to give it a quick slice here. And then we're going to dice them up. Alright, we got a cast iron. Nice and hot on the Blackstone. What we're going to do is we're going to add a can of corn to this. Some cream cheese. Some butter. Diced jalapenos. Give this a good stir. Alright, now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey to our corn. This is going to add a little bit of sweetness, and then you're going to want to season it with your favorite barbecue rubs. This here, I'm just using a little honey chipotle flavor. Mix everything up again. So now next thing you want to do is create a pocket inside your pork chop. The way we're going to do this, we're going to take our knife and we're going to slice it right into the side. Alright, so what I did here is I just created a pocket all the way through, and we're going to stuff that. Alright, so let's take our corn mixture, jalapenos, the honey, the cream cheese, and the butter. And we're just going to stuff that. Just like so. The rest you can use for serving on a plate. And now I'm going to give it a little seasoning. Alright guys, I got the grill going at 250 degrees today. I'm just going to put that right up on the top rack. Alright, from the miracle of time, this chop is done. Right, let's get a taste of this.